Hello and welcome. And today I would like to make a short video about my Riga 26 mini moped, and I would like to show you a first modification I'm doing for this moped. And the modification in question is a mudflap on a fender. And I wanted to do this because when I restored this moped, I saw these holes on the fender, so I assumed there has to be a mudflap. But then I came across this picture. This is the front page of this moped's owner's manual, and I hope the camera picks it up. If you look at this picture, there is no mudflap on the fender. So this is some modification that somebody at some point has already done. But the mudflap was missing and I wanted to mount one. So in the internet you can find somewhere some original Riga moped mudflaps and so on, but it's always hard to get, and then I thought I can do something by myself. So I went in the internet, I found a mudflap. I printed out the picture and cut it out for template, and I did a template so that I measured this length of the fender here and matched it to the length on the printout, so I get the correct size mudflap. Of course, if you make this kind of things yourself, you can make them any size or length that you like, but I chose this one, so I mount this one. I cut it out from ordinary rubber. It's armored rubber, it has some threads in it. Otherwise it's just normal rubber. And I am installing it to the already existing holes. As you can see, I have already put 2 rivets in, and from the inboard side or a wheel side you can see that I put washers also on the rivet, so to give it more grip, that otherwise the rivet has nowhere to attach, because inside the rubber it will not keep, the rubber will come off from the rivet. And I prepared here the last rivet, so I'm gonna install now the last rivet, and then you see how is this looking like fully installed. Just one moment, I will set up GoPro. And the procedure is to put in the rivet. I think everybody knows how to use a rivet, and then just push the rubber very well on the rivet, install the washer on the rivet on top of the rubber, and then just squeeze the, and there you are. So this is how it finally looks like. Maybe some people would like to see some bolts or something like that, but I decided to put the rivets because I had rivets already, and this is how the final installation looks like. And if we go here, it gives a little bit more protection when you ride, that the stones and stuff maybe don't hit the engine so much, because there is no guards in front of the engine. But otherwise, that's my first modification I've done to this moped, and this is how it looks like. Anybody can do this at home with very basic tools. Rivets don't cost much, Couple of washers or rivet pliers also don't cost that much, and a little bit of rubber you can find pretty much anywhere, so anybody can do this. Hope you like the new mud flap and the video. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on my next videos.